Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger bug. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger bug, you should just go to settings like this, we will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will go down to find the application of Messenger here. You will click here. After that, in this page, you will go to click force stop. Then you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end all this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.